Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a dynamic video campaign through AmpleMarket. Okay, so I do have my campaign here, my dynamic video campaign already created. If you do not know how to do this, no worries. So I'll leave a link below so you can know what are the previous steps here to create your campaign for the first time. Okay, but considering everything has been created and is ready to share, so what I'll do here is two things. We actually have two steps to follow. So the first one would be to download the CSV file, which has already filtered any leads that we have or any videos that we have created. Okay, and also here's the share campaign where we can actually click and find Ample Market. Okay, so right there we have it right there. Okay, so let me jump real quick into Ample Market first. So the first step that we need to do is that you should know that we need to work first of all with a template, and then we can jump into sequences, and that's when you actually go ahead and select the template. Okay, so we'll start by doing that. I'll click on new template here. Let me move this. Okay, and let me put here ample market demo. Okay, we can just leave actually that behind. So this is just for you to complete, of course. I'll add the first step, which is basically just an email. You can put the rest. I'll put a subject here, Ample Market Demo. And this part is, of course, very, very simple. So I make a click here on Ample Market. So this actually copies the snippet code that we have right there. And you can just jump into the email body and go Command V or Control V. Of course, take your time, build up your email the way that you like it. So, but it is as simple as this, okay? So again, if you're doing this for the first time, because we are actually making use of dynamic videos, which is basically dynamic backgrounds, so you'll know, of course, that the background will be changed according to each of the leads that you are targeting, right? So that's why you'll have this background, the same here. So you'll have here just a standard background, no background actually. And you'll see this whenever you're sending this to any of your leads, of course. So, and I'm referring, of course, to the background, okay? So once this is ready, once you have actually written everything that you need, you can actually save it. So I do have the name and everything I needed. So there we go, Ample Market Demo. So that's good. And now let me go ahead and jump into sequences and start a sequence. In my case, I'll actually take that out and click on upload leads here from CSV file. And I have already downloaded mine, but again, sorry, let me cancel that. But again, be sure to use this one, this CSV file, and not the one that you actually use to create this dynamic video campaign. Be sure to click on this one to download it and use exactly that one to create your campaign, okay? So again, I'm clicking here. This is the one, selecting it, going for next, selecting a sequence, and I should have mine right there. Okay, Ample Market Demo, so that's good. Okay, so that's all that we need here. Okay. Yep, so that's fine. I can just close this out. So you still see this or things this way. And just for you to notice, so I'm sending this to one of the test emails that I have. So what I'll do is actually make a test right now so I can show you. And the one here should have outreach as a background. So let me actually go ahead and do it. I can save this. I can actually just preview and schedule. So that's all that I need to do right now. But just for you to see the results, if I go here to sequence templates, again, select mine, I can test the template. Okay, so I'll put here the one that I showed you. Okay, so you can see the results. So that's good, confirming. Okay, so this will be sent out soon. And yep, so that's all good. Sequences. So be sure, of course, to have your ample market campaign or sequence toggled on. This is being processed right now, so I'm guessing that should take a few seconds there, but it is as simple as that. Okay, so let me see if I can actually show you. Yes, I haven't actually received. Yep, there we go. Okay, so notice how the background will now fulfill into what we have there on our campaign. So outreach is what we had before. Perfect, that's great. So if I click here, I'll be able to see the landing page. Great. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me know, please, if you still have any questions. Have a great day.